Good morning, traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay, guys. Today I'm gonna show you one of my clients' account. Before I start, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And Ramzan Mubarak to all the Muslims members. So, guys, please stay safe at home. So today I'm gonna show you one of my clients' account. As you can see, this is the real money account. Let's see what happened to that account. Let's go to the history of the account. I will press the monthly history. So as you can see, guys, this guy is deposit about $1,000. He make a profit about $1,218, and our withdraw is $250. As you can see, this is the real money account, guys. The key to be a professional trader, or if you want to earn consistently in this market, you have to be patient. You need very restrict money and risk management. If you want to be a millionaire in one night, that's not gonna happen. To be a millionaire, to earn big amount of money, you have to work hard. You have to be patient, because if you want to be a millionaire in one night, if you want to go take a shortcut, maybe 1 or 2 days you will get big profit with big lot size, but I will damn sure you guys gonna lose your account. So always trade with risk and money management. I never allow to my students, or I never recommend to the people, don't take 1 or 2% of your account balance on a single trade. So you have to calculate those pips, like how many pips your stop loss is, what take profit you're gonna take. So you, like, if you have $100 pips stop loss, so you have to calculate your lot size according to your balance. All right, so let's see what happened to the account. As you can see, the lot sizes, like this guy is deposit about 30 of March 2020 $1,000. You can see the lot sizes. We start with the 0.02 lot sizes. That's called risk and money management. So you have to apply those in your trading account as well if you want to make a good money. Because if someone says he gonna give you 100% accuracy, that's not true. That person is lie with you. So, like in our channel, our stop loss hits as well, but our take profit ratio is more than our stop losses. So if someone says his accuracy is about 100%, that's a lie. So as you can see, what lot sizes we are using: 0.02, 0.03 on $1,000 account. Yeah, that's called money management and risk management. When I got the confirmed trade, like I am damn sure about that trade is gonna go to according to my analysis, then I increase my lot sizes as well. You will find those kind of trades in this history as well. That's, as you can see, 0.02. As I told you before, we have losing trades as well in our account. As you can see, $20 loss, $22 loss. So we have losing trades as well. As you can see, this gold trades is 0.01 lot size. We earn about $31. Yeah, 0.01 lot size. We earn about $31. What that mean is, on this single trades, we earn about 320 pips on one trade. Yeah, so I will scroll a little bit down more. As you can see, this GBP CAD 0.05 lot size we use. Eurochav we use that same. I think the bigger lot size I use on that account is 0.11 on Euro AUD, I think. So yeah, as you can see this, I got the confirmation like the Euro AUD is going to up. So I use that 0.11 lot size. Will earn about $37 from that trade yesterday. So guys, as you can see, $1,000 deposit, 1,218 profit. He already withdrew $250. So guys, please take care of your money when you are trading. Don't be greedy. Okay, so trade safely. All right. So guys, before I'm finishing my video, but I have a request to you guys. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated from my upcoming videos, and please share my channel. If you want to join my Telegram group or if you want to contact me, there is a link in the description, so you can take my Telegram channel and my username over there and you can contact me. All right, so Ramzan Mubarak again.